Well, good morning to you. It is processing day here at Flat Gap Farm. So hang with us today as we walk you through all the steps we do from beginning to end and putting them in our freezer today. So if you watched our previous video, or this is the first time that you've seen this, this is our processing setup. I'll leave a link above right about now. Click on that and you can see how we went through the setup. But we're going to take you from broiler chickens down in the chicken tractors all the way to the freezer today. And we're going to get started with that. So we're waking everybody up. My wife made some breakfast sausage casserole made fresh from our pasture-raised pigs. And it's going to be a great day, busy day, but we're going to show you the steps throughout the day of us dispatching and processing all of our meat chickens. And now your starting lineup for the Flat Gap Farm Processing Day. Up first, Emery, the Chicken Wrangler. And next, Derek, the Dispatcher. And next, Lauren, the Inviscerator. Coming up next is Landon, the Scalder. And now, it's Mason, the Plucker Lover. And finally, last but not least, he's the rookie sensation brought in on the draft. He's gonna learn it all. Cash! All right, that is not the broiler chickens. That's a silky that's over there. So the first two have been dispatched. Landon is taking those now. We're not going to show any of the killing of the chickens. We gave them about 2 to 3 minutes just to finish convulsing. Emery's getting ready to get the next two as Landon goes up the hill with the first two chickens. And Emery is getting ready to get the next two. And so we're doing it 2 by 2, and she's going to grab those.
Got it? This one's really small though. It's another kind of small one too. You might get it had too. Go in. Get your wings in.
Yeah. How'd the Scalder do? Yeah.
Good. Oh, no. You tried to keep the water on.
You piecing that one?
Yeah, I tried to get it.
Probably a little longer. That's a lot of feathers. Maybe.
I just think I should do that. Here it goes. There's feathers on.
A lot of wet waiting around.
No. Liver.
Livers.
Staying away from that gallbladder.
No.
A liver and gallbladder.
Well, we're at the halfway point. Emery's getting ready to get the final chicken out of this chicken tractor.
This side. Well, shouldn't we wait until
You're good.
Whoa, we're halfway there.
Whoa, living on a prayer.
All right, 19 more to go. We're halfway, baby. Halftime. Hey, you guys want to see something really gross? More gross than chicken processing? This is the fly rancher trap we set out. Look at that. Woo! Full of flies. That's disgusting. This is the barrel from Ranch Fly Trap. Yoo! Now that's gross. All right, Emery, it's year 2 for you. How's it going so far?
It's going good. It's not that it's easier, it's just more of a routine at this point.
So last
I
year
haven't
was,
gotten pooped on yet.
that's good. Last year was your first year, this is your second year. And I think we got a routine, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I think some of them have a little chunkier hands than others.
Yeah,
we
it all
We
works.
got big mitts. My hands are.
All right, guys, real quick, if you want to know where Flat Gap Farm is, it's right there. We are on top of that ridge. There's Mineral Springs Mountain, and then it goes all the way through Burke County. But that's us right there. Just thought you'd like to know perspective. We stopped for lunch to pick up pizza for the boys and for Emery, but that's where we live. Flat Gap Farm on the mountain. Cue the Survivor music. Last one and the final one just went down, so oops, about dropped you there. So we're gonna head up, clean up. We got a lot of cleanup to do, still got more processing to do, but it's the end port where we're portioning them out, bagging them, vacuum sealing. So we still got more to do. Hang in there. One of the things we did different this year is we put cardboard box and wood shavings in for where the blood came out through the kill cone station, and now we just burn it. Then you don't have anything to clean up, plus it gets rid of the smell from other critters maybe coming this evening.
Here's one.
Chicken wing.
Oh. Do you leave the tips on?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Oh. All right, now the thighs. Yeah, for now. Thank you so much. The leg quarter. Another one. And now the breast meat.
Boneless, skinless.
Mm-hmm. Is he in his room? There's the rest of the tenderloin.
Nice. down the breastbone.
Yeah, tried to get as close as possible. Just keep pulling a little, like get some, lose some tension on it.
Without cutting bone.
And cut my finger.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Letting gravity help.
Yep. Here's the other one.
There you go.
Yeah.
2 breasts, 2 leg and thigh quarters, and 2 wings.
Yep.
All right, year 2 doing meat chickens. What was different about this year?
Different was piecing them out for sure.
Yeah. Good different?
Oh yeah. It's not hard. It's just a little more time consuming than doing the whole birds, obviously, but
Yeah.
a little more intricate, I guess.
What was different about this year? Just as a whole?
It went by faster. I feel like the whole process, even chick to now, went by faster. Today went by faster.
Because we knew what we were doing.
Yeah.
Last year we didn't.
Easier. Yeah.
And we've had
And we had extra help.
extra help is always good.
Mm-hmm.
Mason, Cash,
Yeah.
well, Landon and Emery too.
Yeah. They all seem to have a really good time. Bag 'em and tag 'em.
Yep. So they've been sitting on ice. They're at 40 degrees or less.
And I like to put them in face first. And get it in the corner, kind of.
Yeah.
And then put the straw in the cavity and kind of cinch around it. Tuck the feet in a little bit.
Because the goal of this is to make it look like you'd buy it in a store.
Yeah, and just try to get rid of all the little nooks and crannies that air could get trapped.
Start the zip tie. And now the turkey fryer is now clean water. We cleaned it out, and it's up to 200 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
So 150 for the scalder, 200 for the bag. And then you submerge it.
You can hear it burp.
Hear the air. And it like suctions up.
Yeah, shrink wraps it. Ta-da.
Livers, hearts, livers. Well, we're wrapping up a really long day today, but it always is. Processing chickens is just like the halfway point. Then you got to package them, you got to seal them up, and you got to clean up. So just as much time that goes into the processing is what it takes to clean up on the back end. And so I think sometimes people forget about that. We appreciate you guys watching today, and we've got lots of videos based in our chicken playlist. You can check that out too, and we'll see you on the next video.